Hi everyone. My name is Daksh and I'm from mechanical branch, and for my community course engagement, we all were supposed to go to some kind of an NGO or some government school in which we are helping out kids and teaching them about whatever they want to learn and asking them about their aspirations and other things. So for my course, when I got to know about this course, I asked, instead of going to a government school and teaching there for a day, I asked my house help about how she can help me with this, because in her area where she lives, there were some kids who do go to government schools. So I asked her to help me with this course by sending some of those kids to my house. So I'm expecting them anytime now, and all I got to know about them from my house help was that 3 kids will be coming. Of course, I'll be interacting with them, and it's not just about interaction or studies. I'm also thinking about asking what their favorite subject is, and given that I have an inclination towards maths, I'll be trying to help them with mathematics, and not just helping them, but trying to make them question and be more inquisitive about stuff around them, and they should know to learn, ask questions about why this is happening, why are we doing that. So most probably I'll be teaching them maths today, and based on their level I will see what we can do. And I'm not just about teaching, I'm also thinking of helping them by giving them my old books that I used to have when I was in class 7th. दिखाओ, पेन दिखाओ एक। मैं पढ़ाता हूँ मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं हम लोग।
ओके सर।
छठी क्लास में हो ना तुम लोग?
यस सर।
मैथ्स में क्या क्या पढ़े हो?
सर रैशनल नंबर,
ठीक है,
डेसिमल्स,
फ्रैक्शंस पढ़ा है ये। तो तुम्हें फ्रैक्शंस के बारे में अगर मैं बेसिक बताऊँ तो फ्रैक्शंस बेसिकली क्या होता है? किसी को फ्रैक्शन की डेफिनेशन पता है?
यस सर।
क्या?
सर जो पी बाई क्यू की फॉर्म में होता है।
पी बाय क्यू मतलब क्या?
पी अपॉन
क्यू। दो ले लो, दो ले लिए, खा लिए।
यस
तो
सर।
अब बताओ ज्यादा कौन सा पड़ा था, कौन सा बचा है, कितना बचा है, कौन सा ज्यादा पड़ा? दोनों इक्वल है। क्यों इक्वल है?
इनको 2 से डिवाइड करा जा सकता है।
यस। So we just finished our session, and it was really a delight to meet new kids, and they were so sweet, and they had this thirst for knowledge, especially in mathematics, and that really surprised me. So yeah, so today I taught them about fractions because they were in grade 6th, and they were not all from the same grade, they were from different grades. And yeah, so today we learned about fractions, and I gave them some questions, and I asked them what they want to be. These little lads, they want to be engineers, they want to be pilots. One of them wanted to be an IIT, so yeah, they do have that source that they know about these things. And Of course, I help them and I try to tell them what they can do to become an engineer or a pilot or even a doctor. And I think I did my part, and not just for the community course, but I also invited them that they should, and they're always welcome if they have any kind of a doubt in their studies, or if they want any kind of help in studies. I can and I will always help them. So yeah, and in the end, I would just like to thank my college and our teachers, especially Rachna ma'am, that she really pushed us to to not just take but also give something to the community. So yeah, thank you for this opportunity that I got today. Yeah, and I really loved what I did today.